G here from OG Creations. June is Pride Month, so here at OGC, we will be celebrating month-long. OGC is a safe space where you can express yourself how you see yourself. I will always be excited to create a custom order that embodies who you are, or if you just feel like sharing your story with a complete stranger, I'm a DM away. The world definitely needs more kindness in it, and here you have my love and admiration for being who you were born to be. In my final video of my Pride series, I will be showing you how I made the Rainbow Sunburst briefs and thongs. I start with a 95% modal cotton, 5% spandex men's bikini briefs and thongs that have been soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes and then spun until almost dry. Starting in the center of the pouch, I gather a small section of fabric and secure it with a rubber band. I then continue working my way down the length of the item, adding rubber bands every half an inch.
This is sport for me.
On my dye racks, I create a barrier around the undies using aluminum foil.
From aluminum foil.
WINC, Witches in Nature's Colors.
I carefully apply the dye powders in a thick layer and pat them down. This will assist with making sure that the powders are more contained in their sections and cuts down on the possibility of cross-contamination of the colors when the ice is applied. I do this for all 6 colors. Here I'm using Grape Purple, Azure Blue, New Emerald Green, yellow, orange crush, Chinese red. Carefully add a thick layer of ice and a layer of soda ash.
No, he was holding a lot.
They then process for 48 hours in a warmish space, somewhere between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. They are rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increase the temperature to hot. They are then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into an inventory, they are added to my Etsy store, ready for purchase. This and all of my other Pride items are now available. Get yours by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. These are fabulous. The colors are so vivid, And who doesn't want a rainbow shooting out of their dick?
Wow. A rainbow shot out of my dick. And it had a sound with it, like a piano or some shit. I had no idea why there was a rainbow coming out of my penis. I don't even like rainbow.
The perfect pair of undies to show off on any parade float, or to misplace in a dark room. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments section what you would like to see created next. Happy Pride!